Welcome to ERi-TV English News Broadcast. We thank you for joining us on our domestic and international report for February 16, 2026. Reporting live from headquarters in Asmara and inviting you to stay with us is Heaven Johans, your news anchor for this session. Let's begin with the top stories. Microcredit and savings program in Tesene subzone. Training on beekeeping in Shambuko subzone. In our international, Russia announces seizure of 12 settlements since February. And Iran's foreign minister meets with Director General of the International Atomic Energy Agency. To begin with our domestic news, the Gashbarka region, the microcredit and savings program in Tesene subzone reported that last year, 24.7 million nakfa was disbursed to 1,350 customers in the subzone. Mr. Taddese Mebrahtu, head of the program in the subzone, noted that the main objective and mission of the program is to enable citizens in remote areas to access loans and improve their livelihoods, and that many have become beneficiaries of the program. Mr. Taddese indicated that there are about 11,498 beneficiaries of the program at individual and group levels in 51 administrative areas and about 200 villages in the subzones of Tesene, Golij, Haikota and Fortosawa, who are mostly engaged in small trade, agriculture and livestock development. Mr. Taddese also said that 68% of the loans have been repaid by customers and called on others to repay their loans on time, as well as on area administrators to strengthen their contribution to the effort. Mr. Lenin Agbasilassia, a member of the program, said that sustainable training programs on financial and material management are being provided to customers and called on others to take advantage of the opportunities the program offers. Meanwhile, the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in Shambuko subzone has organized a training program for 28 youth, including 19 females, on beekeeping. Mr. Hagos Kaseta, head of the union branch in the subzone, said that the objective of the training was to enhance the vocational capacity of the youth and enable them to engage in income-generating activities and improve their livelihoods. Noting that the training program was part of the effort the union is exerting to enhance the capacity of the youth, Mr. Marcos Grmatzion, acting head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in Gashbarka region, said that a number of youth in the region are becoming beneficiaries of the training programs organized by the union branch. Mr. Tarek Abai, head of administration and finance in the subzone, commending the union branch for organizing the program aimed at enhancing the capacity of the youth, called on other government and public institutions to strengthen their contribution in organizing similar vocational training programs. At the event, 12 outstanding students who scored high marks in the 8th grade national examination were presented with a Tamfeda award. Moving on, a potable water project constructed at the cost of about 3 million nakfa has been put in place in Gerger administrative area, Mansoura subzone. The project was implemented in collaboration with the public and the government. At the inauguration ceremony held on February 12th, Mr. Hagos Mengistab, administrator of the administrative area, said that the project will solve the potable water problem of residents in the village of Gerger, Werchua, Zaraftai and Antiterbe. Engineer Zarabruch Takhla, head of water development in the Gashbarka region, said that the project, which operates with a solar system, includes a 9 kilometers water pipeline, a water reservoir and 4 water distribution centers. He also called on residents to use the project wisely to ensure its sustainability. Mr. Taddese Georgis, administrator of Mansoura subzone, on his part, said that efforts are being exerted to encourage the remaining villages in the subzone to follow the noble initiative to address their potable water problems. He also expressed appreciation for the initiative of the development committees in Gerger administrative area. Gerger administrative area, which is home to over 700 residents, is one of the 10 administrative areas in Mansoura subzone and is located 27 kilometers southwest of Mansoura. Do stay tuned, dear viewers, for we shall be back with international news after the short break. Welcome back. Now, the global arena, Russia announced that its forces have seized control of 12 settlements since February, despite severe winter conditions, Chief General Staff of the Russian Armed Forces said on Sunday. According to the Russian Ministry of Defense, the country's air defense systems have shot down 222 Ukrainian drones over the past 24 hours. Since the outbreak of the Ukraine war, Russian forces have destroyed 670 Ukrainian aircraft, 283 helicopters, 650 surface-to-air missile systems, and more than 114,000 drones, said the ministry. The developments on the front line came just days before the next round of trilateral talks between Ukraine, the United States, and Russia, which are scheduled to begin on Tuesday in Geneva, Switzerland. Our focus shifts now to Iran. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi and Director General of the International Atomic Energy Agency, Rafael Grossi, have met today in the Swiss city of Geneva. According to Iran's foreign ministry, the two sides discussed technical issues related to Iran's cooperation with the International Atomic Energy Agency in the framework of safeguards cooperation and the Iranian parliament's law regarding the issue. Iran's technical viewpoints regarding its indirect negotiations with the United States were also discussed. Today's meeting came as Iran and the United States are to hold a second round of indirect talks on the Islamic Republic's peaceful nuclear program on Tuesday. Oman is expected to continue its intermediary role. The Iranian foreign minister is also scheduled to hold a meeting with his Omani counterpart, Saeed Badr al-Basaidi. It is also to be recalled that Iranian and American delegations led by Araghchi and U.S. Special Envoy Steve Witkoff resumed nuclear talks in Muscat on February 6. With this, we conclude our domestic and international report for this session, dear viewers. Now a quick recap of the major headlines. Microcredit and savings program in Tesene subzone. Training on beekeeping in Shambuko subzone. In our international, Russia announced the seizure of 12 settlements since February. And Iran's foreign minister meets with Director General of the International Atomic Energy Agency. This was the World on Monday with ERi-TV English News Broadcast. Viewers, from all of us here, thank you for watching.